Hello everyone, Diane Gonzalez, Arbonne Independent Consultant, and I wanted to pop on today to introduce you to the AgeWell amazing day creams. I know I'm not all put together today. That's life. Okay. AgeWell Moisture Restoring Cream with 0.5% bakuchiol. A must-have for all skin types, this versatile moisturizer contains bakuchiol along with a specialized botanical complex of shea butter, avocado oil, coconut oil, and squalane complex, which helps replenish the skin's moisture barrier and reduce the appearance of fine lines. Multi-purpose formula provides critical moisture to the skin to hydrate, smooth, and firm skin's appearance while helping to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. The unique botanical complex helps replenish the skin's natural moisture barrier, leaving it feeling soft and smooth. Moisturizing formula helps maintain youthful looking, hydrated skin, so crucial, suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. Now look at all of these amazing ingredients and benefits down here, y'all. Bakuchiol, the plant-based retinol alternative, helps to reduce the look of facial wrinkles, better tolerated on the skin than retinol. Stabilized vitamin C supports collagen through moisturization. A lot of times when you've purchased a vitamin C product just off the shelves, it's not a stabilized vitamin C, which makes it very harsh on your skin. With this plant-based retinol alternative and the stabilized vitamin C, you are not going to have those side effects from these products. This is so awesome. You're just going to get awesome results that you're going to love. Sustainable plant stem cell extract helps to improve the appearance of skin radiance, elasticity, firmness, and texture, while minimizing the appearance of wrinkles by conditioning the skin. Shea butter, avocado oil, coconut oil, and squalane complex, rich in omega-3 and 6 fatty acids, replenishes the skin's natural lipid barrier with moisturization to lubricate and nourish for a soft, smooth, healthy glow. Peptides enhance the appearance of skin smoothness, diminish the look of fine lines and wrinkles, as well as improve the appearance of skin tone, firmness, and suppleness by adding moisture. And vitamin B3 helps support the skin's moisture barrier with hydration to enhance the appearance of brightness and even tone. Hyaluronic acid supports the protective moisture barrier with hydration to reduce the appearance of fine lines. Aside from this, y'all, you have a choice with this one with no SPF or with broad spectrum SPF 15 sunscreen. So you've got your choice of whether you want the SPF or you don't. That rich cocktail of ingredients is just going to do so much when it's layered on your skin with the serum, the cleanser, the toner, the serum, the eye cream, and then you put this on top of there. And your skin is going to be pampered all day long with massive nutrients that it's just dying for, and you are definitely going to see a difference. So thanks for checking in, and I will be back. Appreciate it.